Hey guys, Chris from the Ultimate Recycler. It's an early morning, we've got our coffees, Christine's filming, and we've come to a house in nearby town that needs cleaning up. It's a deceased estate, and this is the shed. Now, the guy mentioned the shed and said there's some old radio gear, which really got me interested. This lean-to area looks a bit messy. It looks a lot messy. I don't think there's a lot of value, but I can see a baby's bath hanging over the wall there, behind that mop thing. I can't see any oil tins or oil bottles, but there could be some interesting stuff in here. But that's not the exciting part. If we come into this shed here, come on, over this way. I think we have lights. Yes. Now there's a lot of old books. Some of them are modern. There's going to be some recycled stuff, but there are some older ones in here. So there could be some good stuff in there. But come down this way. There's a shelf over there. We spotted a very old baby's bath. So there's some old stuff in here. Lots of boxes and we don't know what's in them. Oh, hey, hang on.
Yeah, the box did say toys.
Whoa, excellent. Old toys are really good. So we're going to have a quick rummage and work out a price. We've been in the house. There's not much in the house that's of value, but we probably will clean it out for what we can salvage. If we do get the deal, we'll show you in the house. But come down to this section. Now, some of you know I like fixing old radios and things. Have a look at this old test equipment. There's some really early, that's an oscillator. I can't even pronounce. I need another coffee. There's signal generators. There's some great test equipment. These boxes up here look interesting. Radio parts, electrical fittings, loudspeakers, microphones. Some of this stuff could be quite old. Granted, a lot of the parts like capacitors won't be any good, but there could be some really interesting stuff. We have some more modern hi-fi gear down here. Akai stereo receiver, be an amplifier as well. We have no idea what's in these boxes.
There's something over in the corner too.
Yeah, oh yeah, more equipment. This one here looks like some sort of transceiver. More modern, probably 80s or something. Some of that stuff can be quite valuable. That's a beauty underneath, look at that. So you're seeing it pretty much the same time we are. Let's scan up this shelf up here. Cotton reels, I suspect they're not going to be cotton reels. The tins are nice. A nice old kettle. Bit of early kitchenware. Look at this old saucepan. That's probably Victorian. So this shed is one of the ones that we love to get. You just never know what you're going to find. So we'll have a bit of a rummage here and work out a quote. We will be offering a reasonable amount of money for this sort of cleanup, even though there's a lot of work. And as I said, the house will probably just be what we can salvage. But we better do a bit of a rummage now and see if we can work out some value. I don't know what's in those cupboards. If anything, we'll have a look. If I don't knock things off. Let's have a look in here. Oh, not much. Although an old camera. We do quite well with cameras. And I don't think there's much on the other side. Oh, there is another camera there, so interesting. This is going to be a fun deal, so stay with us. We'll if we can do the deal, we'll get back to you, and we'll probably over a few parts we'll bring you along on this adventure. Okay, just doing a bit more of a rummage. What have you found over there, Christine?
Binoculars, I think.
Binoculars? Oh, the fluoro light's strobing here a bit. I might have to film different direction. Oh, very good.
You look good to me.
I just thought before I'd finish up here, we haven't quoted yet, but I'm kind of thinking I might offer them maybe $1,000 a lot. Just have a look in this box. This is, I've seen these baby feeders before, but I've never seen one in its original cardboard box. It's a banana baby feeder, double-ended. It's probably English. That's really cool, and you just don't find these things in original boxes. And in the bottom here, these are Crown Car Polish car cleaner. I guess it's like a soap, and they're all originally packaged here. And judging by that car, these are 1930s, all originally unopened. Now that is crazy. You just don't find this sort of stuff in your average shed. So the things that we're going to find in this shed make the mind boggle, really. There's a nice early enamel cup, and that's an old one. It's quite a heavy one. It's a bit of a random mixture. In here we have, this looks like a Morse code key, a nice brass Morse code key. Oh yeah, it's in its original box.
You'll love this.
What have you found?
It's an old broadcast radio,
Oh really?
as far as the box is anyway. It's heavy.
Oh, look at that. Yeah. That looks in good nick too. And that's
Alright.
what I wanted to see. That's great. Look,
I know somebody who'd love this one.
you?
No.
That's nice. I was hoping to find a few old Valve radios other than just parts. So this deal's definitely a goer. We don't want to miss out on this one. I think I'll offer him 1,000 and we'll do the total cleanup as well. And if we find extra good stuff, well, most of you guys know how we work. We'll give them an extra kickback so that everyone's happy. But I'm excited about these deals. It's much better shed lot than we normally find in someone's home. Actually, had you noticed this table?
Yes, I told you about it earlier.
Yeah, beautiful early turned leg table, pine top. All right, we better go and shake the guy's hand and work out a deal. Okay guys, just got off the phone. We've got some good news. In fact, no wait, it's great news. Tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock, we're going to land at the house and start on the job. They've accepted our offer and we're going to take you along. So we'll finish this part here as an introduction. Tomorrow will be part 2, bright and early with our coffees at the house, ready to treasure hunt. We'll see you then.